Come on then.
Where are we going? Oh, you got your blankie. You got your blankie.
Who are you? Who is this dog? What are you doing?
Obviously, Aristos loves to be pet. Aristos, for the situation that he was in, you would think that he would hate humans.
Get a roll over. What's going on? Oh my goodness. Okay.
Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you?
But look at his smile.
No, this is my ice cream.
What? Hello. Hello. What are you doing?
Hi, babies.
I'm not throwing the pine cone. I'm in the middle of something.
Chico, you ripped out my wandering Jew, Chico. Stop smiling.